I'm Siwangi and welcome to my channel Siwangi at Kitchen. Today I will share the recipe of instant papdi pickle with you, and it is coming quickly, which you can instantly eat immediately. So let's go. First of all, note the ingredients. We need to make instant papdi pickle, papdi 250 grams. It has to be cut into ways in this manner. Roasted yellow mustard 1 tablespoon. Roasted black mustard 1 tablespoon. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. Dry mango powder half tablespoon. Turmeric powder half tablespoon. Celery plus black cumin half tablespoon. Mustard oil 2 tablespoon. Heat the mustard oil and after cooking it will use it. So friend, let's make instant papdi pickle. At first boil the papdi with salt and turmeric. We will put salt according to our taste, because later also we used to add salt with spices. Now add turmeric powder. Now we grind roasted black and yellow mustard. After grinding mustard, something like this will look. Now papdi is boiled. I have separated it from water. Take a bowl. First of all, we put papdi boiled. Now in this we put black yellow mustard, which we had already kept grinding. Now in it we mix celery and black cumin. Now we will add dry mango powder and red chilli powder, salt to taste, finally add mustard oil. So finally and mix it will to all the spices. It's mixed well. Now serve the another dish. So friend, instant papdi pickle is ready to eat. If you like this video, then please do it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video with new recipe. Goodbye.